Number 1. mkdir. Mkdir command helps you to create a directory. To create a directory, type mkdir space name of the folder. Number 2. rm. Rm command helps you to remove files. To remove a file, type rm space name of the file. Number 3. Clear. Clear command clears the terminal screen, and lets you fill it anew. Number 4. pwd. Pwd command prints the name of the working directory. A convenient way of showing the directory you're working in. Especially useful for novices since Kali Linux has a command shell where it's easy to get lost when you're in the middle of something complicated. Number 5. Uname. Uname command gives you detailed info on your system specifications. Great place to start familiarizing yourself with Kali user interface. Number 6. History. History command shows you all the previously used commands and attributes. It lists all the previous commands you entered in the terminal. Number 7. ls. ls command displays what each file contains and the directories they're stored in. An easy way to view all the files contained in a directory. Number 8. cd. cd command changes the directory you're working in. Very commonly used, and a very convenient way to change directories. To change a directory, type cd space name of the directory. To go back one directory, type cd space ... Number 9. mv. mv command moves files between directories. To move a file, type mv space file name and the path the file should be moved to. Number 10. Nano. Nano command is used to create a text editor in the terminal itself. To create a file with nano, type nano space name of the file. You can use any name, and press enter. You will get a text editor like this. After typing, press Ctrl+O to save and then press Ctrl+X to exit. Number 11. cat. Cat command lets you read files and displays the text or script of that file in the terminal. Number 12. ifconfig. Ifconfig command lets you view current network interface IP address and its MAC address. Thanks for watching this video. For more such videos, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.